This video will tell you why a cat's cough can be diagnosed as asthma. Our cat Snow has recently been experiencing frequent coughing, so we took him for a detailed full body examination.
見て見てただいま来たよただいまご苦労さんはねそんなストレスじゃないんだね出口のところやっぱりもう狭くなっちゃってるんだよねだからきちんとビルイ管から鼻に抜けないで上からフラップで出ちゃってるんだと思うんです
The good news is that his lungs are completely normal and his heart is strong and healthy. In the end, the vet concluded that Snow's coughing was caused by allergy-induced asthma. If your cat also coughs, produces phlegm while coughing, but doesn't have difficulty breathing, it could also be asthma. By the way, many kind followers on our Instagram and Facebook have shared their advice on feline asthma. If your cat is coughing too, we hope their comments can help you and your cats as well.